So you've got a passion for taking things apart and now you want to build a business out of it. You are just at the right place, my friend. Now let's get into what it takes to kickstart a successful demolition contractor business. It's going to be a thrilling journey, and we are here to guide you each step of the way. Before we get it started, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can learn new ways to make significant amounts of money as a demolition contractor. So, picture this. You start off by dipping your toes into the vast sea of knowledge about the demolition industry. You'll get to know about all the ins and outs, and believe it or not, about 94% of demolition contractors are constantly adapting and evolving to include new techniques and technology. Next up, it's time to gather your dream team. Did you know that in this industry, experience is the key? On average, a worker in this field has at least 7 years of experience under their belt. You'd want to get some skilled folks who know a thing or two about safely bringing down structures. Now, to set the ball rolling, you've got to tackle the nitty-gritty of the business side of things. This is where we come in. Legal, registration.com. We are all about making this process as smooth as peanut butter for you. Our experts can handle all the complicated paperwork and ensure that your business is set up the right way, abiding by all the necessary laws and regulations. We don't just stop there, oh no. We are in for the long haul with you. Our team will assist you in getting the right licenses and permits. You'd be interested to know that the United States alone has more than 26,000 demolition contractors. Now imagine the kind of competition you've got. But no worries, we've got your back, helping you stand out in the crowd. Once you are all set up, it's time to get your hands dirty, quite literally, step onto the field, get those contracts, and start making a name for your business. So there you have it, a simple blueprint to kickstart your demolition contractor business. It's going to be a road filled with opportunities, and we are here to guide you each step of the way. To get your demolition business set up quicker, please visit legalregistration.com, or you are welcome to contact our experts over the phone by dialing 877-955-7111. Also, what makes you interested in becoming a demolition contractor? Drop a comment below and let us know what inspired you. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can stay updated about important information designed to save your demolition business time and money.